Hello, this is Brittany with R&R Windows and Doors, windowpartcenter.com, and today we're doing a product spotlight on our S1092, which is a fit-all universal folding casement and awning handle kit that includes the 5 adapters that's shown here. They come in the aluminum color. They also come in a beige. There is white. There's also a metallic bronze, which I don't have in stock right now, but I will show you a picture that's on our website. So what's nice about this universal folding handle adapter kit is if you have an awning or casement window where your handle either broke or got lost, something happened to it, you need to replace it so you can operate your window, but you don't know what size spline you have. Maybe you're unsure of what brand of either window or what brand of hardware is used on your window, and so you don't know which one you need, and maybe you don't have another window in the house that has a handle, so you can't look at that to identify what you need. So you can use this. The 5 different adapters fit 5 different splines. So as you can see here, it fits all these different options. So there's a 9/32, a 5/16, an 11/32, a 3/8 special, and a 3/8. So you can see they're slightly different. And I'll show you how each one will fit on their spline. And you can tell if it didn't fit, say it'd be too big and it wouldn't fit into the grooves. See how there's little grooves inside? Those catch onto the grooves like a little gear of the operator and go like that. So there are your options. So now with your operator, say you're needing to find out which one fits your operator. I wouldn't put it in the handle first. I would just take it adapter by adapter, and you're kind of at a Goldilocks situation here. So this one is too small. This one fits a little bit better, but doesn't really grab onto the splines and doesn't kind of fit all the way down. This one's way too big. This one's also way too big, but this one, ooh, fits just right. Holds on to those grooves. So once you find out this is the adapter you need, you're going to take your handle, and it is a folding handle, which is nice, so it kind of nests away for you when it's not in use. There is a set screw in the back. You want to make sure that set screws out. Doesn't have to be all the way out, but you want to make sure it's not protruding so you can fit in your adapter. So you line up the hole, put it in there, and then you can screw it back down a little bit so it doesn't fall out. And then you're going to put it on your window. Now normally when I'm installing a handle on a window, you would want the window closed and locked, and then you can position how you'd want the handle to look once it's closed. So I would probably want it folded up, like once you close your window, you're gonna fold it up. I'd probably like it like that. So when I go to open the window, I'd unfold it down. If you had it this way, once the window's closed, it would work. It might just depend on your blind situation or something, but you would see that screw. So that's just kind of a nice little tip or trick you can do. Have the window closed, then put it on the way you want it. And then you're just going to screw down your set screw till it's tight, and that's what holds your handle onto that spline. So now I'll zoom out a little bit. And you can operate your window. Like that. So the different brands of windows or different brands of hardware that this can be used on, can be used on quite a few different ones, but it does fit Truth. This is a Truth brand. If you can see, it says Truth right on there. That this is a Truth brand operator. A lot of windows like Cradco or Hurd, Sierra Pacific, and many others use truth operators on their windows. So one way you can do that might say Amesbury Truth as well. Sometimes that's stamped on there. The other adapters work for Andersen and Pella, Peachtree, Dorchester, Yale, and other older styles like jalousie operators as well. So it does work for a variety of different windows and different operators. So thank you so much, and hope you have a great rest of your day.